Nicholas Paul said it would be an exciting encounter. Great curtain raiser. I think so as well. Me I got Tivoli. I'm going Tivoli 2-1. No. That won't happen. Michael Smart said, MG, what's your prediction? I'm gonna say JC 2, stats 1. Remember, people, from the start of the Manning Cup, I predicted JC to win the Manning Cup. From the start of the Manning Cup, I predicted JC to win the Manning Cup. I am not gonna change that, despite I know stats can win it. I know for a fact. I know 100%. For a fact, stats can win it. I know this how many. But I think for sure. I think JC still has that X factor about them. Not individual player, but team wise. They have that little thing where they're very, very confident in what they do. But as I said, people, it's going to be interesting. That's my prediction. For me personally, I think the Glenmuir versus Eden Allen game is going to be a close one. I think I'm going to tip my hat this time to Glenmuir. Me give Eden Allen the win versus who they play? Rossies? Me give them win versus Rossies, but me tip my hat to Glenmuir now. Solely because Eden beat Glenmuir before. And I think Andrew Pierre must learn something from that. And I think them will come back a better team, more prepared to play against Eden Allen. So I tip my hat towards Glenmuir for that. And I'm going to say a 2-1 Glenmuir. And you know, your problem with my scoreline with CC, anytime I say CC game then close, them tend to be a big margin. CC versus Dintil, I say it's going to be a close one. CC slap with Dintil. CC versus KC, I say it's going to be close. KC touch CC hard. Tap in the neck. Me not say. Well, whisper. Anyways, this I want to know. CC versus Central. I don't know if it's up, I don't know, but I also say it's a close one. I go say CC 1, Central 0. I have another performance like that again.
Yeah, which I don't think is realistic at all. But yeah. That's
gonna be a tough one for real. That definitely gonna be a tough one.
Yeah.
JC has only conceded twice in one game. That's a huge factor. JC defense will win them the title. Solid defensive unit. Me I go JC 1-0. To me I go JC 1-0. As I said, me not go surprised if Whisper turn out and just put on a show. That wouldn't surprise me. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. I don't think JC are going to approach a game like how CC approach a game, saying that, boy, we're good and we don't really plan we don't really plan for anyone. We're just